Archaeology is a fascinating field that provides us with a glimpse into the past. It is the study of human history and prehistory through the excavation and analysis of artifact structures and other physical remains. Over the years, archaeologists have uncovered some of the most amazing discoveries that have revolutionized our understanding of the world and the people who inhabited it. From ancient tombs to mysterious structures, these finds provide fascinating insight into the past. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the craziest discoveries made by archaeologists. One of the most incredible discoveries was the tomb of Tutankhamun in 1922. The Egyptian pharaoh's tomb had remained untouched for over 3,000 years, and inside were some of the most spectacular treasures ever found in ancient Egypt. The discovery of the tomb by archaeologist Howard Carter caused a worldwide sensation, and the treasures within the tomb continue to fascinate us to this day. Inside the tomb, archaeologists found over 5,000 artifacts, including Tutankhamun's golden death mask, chariots, thrones, jewelry, and more. The tomb also contained a wealth of information about the pharaoh's life and death, including his age, the diseases he suffered from, and the cause of his death. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb has helped us learn more about ancient Egypt and the lives of the pharaohs. Another fascinating discovery made by archaeologists was the Dead Sea Scrolls, which were found in 1947. A group of Bedouin shepherds stumbled upon a series of ancient manuscripts hidden in a cave in the West Bank. These manuscripts are one of the most important archaeological finds of the 20th century, and they contain some of the earliest known surviving copies of the Hebrew Bible. The scrolls shed new light on the history and beliefs of the Jewish people and provide invaluable insights into the development of early Judaism and Christianity. The Dead Sea Scrolls consist of over 900 documents, including texts from the Hebrew Bible, commentaries, hymns, and other writings. The texts were written between the 2nd century BC and the 1st century CE, and they were likely produced by a Jewish sect known as the Essenes. The discovery of the Dead Sea Scrolls has transformed our understanding of ancient Judaism and Christianity, and has provided us with a wealth of new information about the history and beliefs of these ancient religions. Another incredible discovery made by archaeologists was the city of Petra in Jordan. Petra is an ancient city that was built by the Nabateans over 2,000 years ago, and it is one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world. The city is carved out of sandstone cliffs and is famous for its stunning architecture and engineering. One of the most famous structures in Petra is the treasury, which is carved out of a massive sandstone cliff. The treasury is an incredible feat of engineering, and it is believed to have been used as a tomb or a temple. Another famous structure in Petra is the monastery, which is even larger than the treasury and is also carved out of a sandstone cliff. Archaeologists have uncovered a wealth of information about the Nabatean civilization through their excavations in Petra. The city was a major center of trade and commerce in the ancient world, and it played an important role in the spice and incense trade. The discovery of Petra has helped us learn more about the Nabatean civilization and the people who inhabited it. Another fascinating discovery made by archaeologists was the city of Mohenjo-Daro in Pakistan. Mohenjo-Daro is an ancient city that was built by the Indus Valley Civilization, which thrived around 2600 to 1900 BC. The city was discovered in the 1920s by archaeologist Sir John Marshall and his team, and it remains one of the most well-preserved and advanced cities of its time. Mohenjo-Daro was a highly planned city, with streets laid out in a grid pattern and a sophisticated drainage system that allowed for efficient wastewater management. The city was also home to large public buildings, including a great bath and a granary. One of the most intriguing aspects of Mohenjo-Daro is the lack of evidence for any sort of centralized government or ruling class. Archaeologists have not found any evidence of a royal palace or temple, and it seems that the city may have been governed through a more egalitarian system. Another remarkable discovery made by archaeologists is the terracotta army of Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who ruled China from 221 to 210 BC. The terracotta army is a collection of life-sized clay figures that were buried with the emperor to protect him in the afterlife. The army was discovered in 1974 by farmers digging a well in the Shaanxi province of China. Since then, thousands of figures have been uncovered, including soldiers, horses, chariots, and even acrobats. Each figure is unique, with distinct facial features, hairstyles, and clothing. The level of detail is astounding, and it's clear that the artists who created them were highly skilled. The terracotta army provides a fascinating glimpse into the art, culture, and military practices of ancient China. One of the most significant discoveries made by archaeologists in recent years is the so-called Lost City of Egypt. The city, which dates back to the reign of Amenhotep III in the 14th century BC, was discovered in April 2021 by a team of Egyptian archaeologists led by Zahi Hawass. The city is believed to have been built as a residence for the pharaoh's family and royal entourage. It includes well-preserved streets, houses, and a large palace, as well as a number of artifacts, including pottery, jewelry, and statues. The discovery of the lost city is significant because it provides new insights into the daily life and culture of ancient Egypt. It also suggests that there may be other undiscovered sites waiting to be unearthed in the region. As we come to the end of the video, we recognize that the discoveries made by archaeologists continue to provide us with incredible insights into the past. From the stunning treasures found in Tutankhamun's tomb to the terracotta army of Emperor Qin Shi Huang, these finds remind us of the ingenuity, artistry, and complexity of ancient civilizations. As we continue to uncover new sites and artifacts, we are able to piece together a more complete picture of human history. Until next time, stay curious.